So we start off today's video with this amazing haircut transformation. Ooh, very nice layered bob haircuts. This is so chic and modern. I absolutely love the texture of this cut. Beautiful transformation. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some haircut options, ideas, and transformations. So if you've been thinking of going short and you've been dreaming of a new do, this video is for you. If you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to give this one a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Beautiful pixie hair transformation, loving the bangs in the front, long sideburns. And then we move on to someone who has shoulder length hair. And the stylist did a nice pixie style haircut with this one. Perfect in between shape of a pixie and a bob haircuts. Bangs in the front, very nice. And then we have someone with a bob here. Oh, yes, beautiful pixie haircut. I love the feathered effect that this has. The shape is overall just gorgeous. Flowy, very pretty. And then we see someone with mid-length blonde hair. And they decided to switch it up to this bob. Gorgeous. Beautiful angled bob with this transformation. And then we see a pixie haircut. This looks like a very relaxing salon. I like how they have the fireplace playing on the TV. Very nice. The stylist went super short with this one. Choppy texture created at the top. Lots of height and volume. And then we see someone with hair just a bit past the shoulders. Oh, another layered bob. Or shoulder length bob haircuts. Beautiful. I love the tassel texture. And then we have a curly bob here. Looks like she has a mixture of curls, so she Okay, so she decided to big chop into her natural texture. Very nice, kind of curly pixie style. Nice tapered effect here. Beautiful. And then we have someone with mid-length hair yet again. Looks like she's going to be getting a bob. Nice classic fresh shoulder length bob style. She can play around with the placement of the bangs. Beautiful. Her hair is so thick and full. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And then it looks like we have someone getting more of like a layered haircut here. Stylist is doing a blowout after the cut to enhance the layers. Very nice. So let us know in the comments below which haircut or style is your favorite. Here we have someone with hair a little bit past their shoulders. I think she's going to be getting a bob with this one as well. Okay, so she did kind of like a shoulder length cut. Swoop bangs in the front. And her hair also has a lot of body end volume. So next up we have someone else who has shoulder length hair. Looks like she's going to cut her hair into a pixie. Oh, she got an undercut on the side as well. This is gorgeous. Absolutely stunning pixie makeover. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed all of the hairstyles featured within today's video. If you did, don't forget to give it a like, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.